SAP S4hana MM22. What is meant by batches? A batch is a subset of the total stock of a material. It represents a homogeneous unit which has unique specification. Normally, a batch is assigned to the quantity of material produced during a given production run. A batch number uniqueness can be assigned at any of the following three levels. At client level, the same batch number can be assigned only once within the entire client. At material and plant combination level, same batch number can be assigned to material with different specification in each plant. At material number level, a batch assigned to a material has the same specification for all plants where material is extended. Batch number can be reassigned with a different specification for each material.